approved therapeutic claim.
Food supplements tayo, di ba?
Oo, food
eto.
supplements kasi.
Basahin nyo kung meron.
Nako.
Basahin nyo kahit kabilaan.
Wala.
Kayong mababasa. Wala. Why, best friend? Kasi nga, pag ang ascorbic acid, ang components niya more than 100 milligrams, it is already considered to be a medicine.
Wow, gamot na to.
Medications.
Makakagamot.
Para yung iba nag-iisip, Dok, taka lang, gamot synthetic? Taka lang po. Pakinggan niyo po ito. It is considered to be a medicine, pero 100% natural.
Yes.
Okay? It is 100% natural. Yan ang magandang usapan. Okay po. So, Dok, taka lang, 100% natural. Yun, okay. So, ang ganda ng pag-usapan nito. Dok, ano pa pong meron dito? Non-GMO. You know what? Nung tinitingnan ko itong GMO, okay, and last time in-explain ko rin papakita ko sa kanila para maganda usapan natin. Sabi nga po, pag GMO, genetically modified organism. Ibig sabihin po, medyo genetically altered po pag GMO. So ito, walang alteration.
Wow.
Okay? So ibig sabihin po nito, pure na pure yan. Okay? Pure na pure po yung vitamin C natin. It's all natural. Yan ang magandang usapan. Okay? Ano pa po? Allergen free. It's allergen free. Sabi nga po, Dok, teka lang, hindi magkakos ng allergic reaction. Hindi ho. Ano pa?
Wow.
Ay, generally recognized as safe. May GRAS. Okay, yan. So, wag na kayong kabahan. If you will be taking this vitamin C, I will assure you, talaga po maganda po ang ating ascorbic acid. What else? Okay? Clinically studied. Okay, sa laboratorio ng mga scientists, ng mga doktor. Pwede po sa mga Jew, pwede po sa mga Muslim brothers. At the same time po, covering pa lang, Brad, vegetable capsules. Yun. Okay. Let's try to show it to them, brother. Let's try to show it to them. Ito po yan. Ito po. Yun, ito po yan. Very good, very good. Okay. Sandali po sandali. Revolutionary organic. Again, it's organic. Everything used on this product are said to be natural.
Yun.
Kaya, walang genetic alteration maliwanag ang usapan natin dun So, Doc, anong ginagawa nito? Nako, ito pala yan, Brad. Hindi lang pala vitamin C ascorbic acid to. In-enhance pa to ng lipid metabolites.
Yun, lipid
and
metabolites.
citrus bioflavonoids complex. My dear empowered leaders, ito po.
Mga bago.
I-type nyo po. Lipid metabolites and citrus bioflavonoids complex.
Flavonoid. Yan.
Aside from the ascorbic acid. Aside from the ascorbic acid.
Type ko rin, Doc.
Type nila yan. Now, Doc, gaano kaganda yun? Okay, game. Okay. Clinically tested. Okay. Superior delivery, bioavailability, extreme absorption, kinetics. May tinatawag tayong pharmacokinetics at pharmacodynamics. Okay. Because I was able to read the comment of one of our empowered leaders, okay, si Miss Cherry. Although, pag sinabi mo kasi pag may word na pharmaco, pag may kasamang pharmaco, okay, kinetics, what the body does to the drug. What yung ginagawa ng katawan doon sa produkto. Yan. So dito, yung katawan natin, mas malakas yung absorption ng vitamin C.
Okay.
Pag sinabing pharmacodynamics, what the drug does to the body. Yan. So ito, sabi nga po, extreme absorption kinetics, mas mabilis, mas malakas ang absorption ng katawan natin sa vitamin C na to. Yan ang magandang usapan doon. Okay po tayo Klaro usapan natin klaro po. Now, higher cellular concentration. Talaga, Doc, nare-retain yan, Brad. Kaya nga, di ba, supreme retention? Okay? And long retention, binanggit ko na po. Now, Doc, how? Paano nangyari yun? Sinabi mo kanina, ang vitamin C, water-soluble. Hindi ba ito ascorbic acid, vitamin C, water-soluble? Tama naman yon. Now, explain natin kung paano nangyari. Supreme absorption, supreme retention, supreme performance. Okay. I-type nyo naman ngayon. Na-type na nila kanila yung components Ngayon naman po i-type nyo. Supreme absorption, supreme
Yan.
retention, supreme performance.
Supreme absorption. Yan. Sali ako.
Sali
Para
ka, kaya. Okay, ha?
Para,
Type niyo po, ha?
para
Type niyo po.
maalala ko. Kasi,
Game.
di ba,
Supreme absorption, supreme retention, supreme performance. Okay, game. Sabi nila, paano daw naging extraordinary to compared to other products?
mhm.
Okay, paano daw po? Ay, simpleng-simple.
Ayan na.
Kumpara natin, ha? Regular vitamin C, yung plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, with C Supreme. Ano yung laman ng C Supreme? Ascorbic acid, citrus bioflavonoid complex, lipid metabolites. Okay. Anong difference? Storage muna tayo.
Mhm.
Does it make its way into fatty tissues such as the fat cells? Nahihirapan po siyang makapasok sa mga fatty tissues po natin. And even sa covering ng ating pong cell membrane, tandaan nyo po, mamaya explain ko sa inyo, yung phospholipid sa tinatawag, may hirapan siya basta-basta makapasok po doon. Now, when you talk about the amount of vitamin C that gets into your cell is much less compared to the amount that is present in your bloodstream. So, nasa dugo mo lang, nasa bloodstream lang, pero hindi makapasok ng mga cells.
Ay.
Hindi ganun
Sayang.
kalakas ang absorption niya. Sayang, di ba? Okay. Now, ito, stored in fatty parts of the membrane that makes up the cells of the body. Okay? So, Doc, sige. So, sa storage, mas marami kang na-store na C Supreme. Tama po. Okay? Pangalawa, absorption tayo. Distributed throughout the circulation and will be excreted in your urine. Pag sumobra ka na doon sa sinabi ko kaninang storage capacity ng ating katawan, iihi mo na lang yung sobrang ascorbic acid. You get a point? Okay? So, Doc, maliwanag ito, supremely absorbed. Yun ang word. Kaya nga supreme absorption, pare. Okay? And retained in the serum. That is the liquid part of the blood. Okay? The serum. Okay? At higher levels than other forms of vitamin C. That is the liquid part of the blood, yung serum natin. So, Doc, ibig sabihin po, nare-retain ng mas matagal po talaga to. Kaya nga, supreme retention. Yan na. Supreme absorption, supreme retention pa. Ang tindi. Now, game. Diretso pa natin, best friend.
Okay.
Retention, retention. Very low. Si Supreme bioavailability. And retention, hindi lang sa circulation, sa cells pa natin. Nare-retain po yan. Okay?
Talaga.
Now, kasi nga na-absorb eh. So yung retention niya, mas mas matagal. Performance, ay, syempre naman. Iihi mo yung sobra eh. Sa regular vitamins. Si Supreme, outperforms all of the other forms of vitamin C. Pagdating sa metabolic function, yung metabolism, okay, such as what? Ano mga function yon? Antioxidant and free radical scavenging activity. Grabe. So, hindi ba yun ang habol natin, best friend? Yung antioxidant that can neutralize the free radicals. Pag sinabi mo kasing scavengers, para niyang pinupulot yung mga free radicals, ilalabas niya. Yun yan eh. So, Doc, talagang mas protektado ka by taking this vitamin C? Tama. Okay. C Supreme Vitamin C is, again, one of its kind. Why again? Blue Ocean Strategy. Yan. Okay. At eto maganda, Brad. Ano yung word natin, best friend? Credibility.
Yan, yung credibility.
Karamihan po sa vitamin C sa mundo ginagawa sa wala akong sinabi, Brad. Okay. Wala akong sinabi, ha? Wala akong sinabi, ha? Okay.
So, karamihan.
Yung produkto natin, Brad,
yun.
Ako naman po, certified, okay, GMP. Sabi nga po natin, okay, good manufacturing practice saan, parare? USA.
Ayun.
Po siya sa FDA. Rigorous ang word, laboratory testing.
Safe
with guaranteed purity, pare ko. With guaranteed purity. Okay?
Safe na safe, po.
Yes! USA. Hindi ba pag yan ay aprobado ng US FDA, alam mo na, hindi na kailangan pagdebatihan yan. Hindi na kailangan, sabi nga, wala nang contention yan, Brad. Wala nang debate, okay? Automatic talagang napakaganda ng produkto. Okay? Tested and proven yan, bro. Now, game. Hindi pa tapos, pare. Itodo na natin. Quality. Okay. Sabi nga po, usually are synthetic and derived from genetically modified corn. Okay? Genetically modified. Yan yung GMO, yung ano kanina, yung pinakita natin yung GMO, di ba? And processed with chemicals like acetone.
Nako.
Yun sa atin, ay, nako.
Woohoo!
Di ba sinabi nga 100% natural?
Yes.
Vegan ng
Vegan.
GMO. May kosher, may halal. Allergen-free. Generally recognized as safe. Affirmed yan, pare koy. Okay,
Grabe.
reliability, ha? Reliability. No human clinical study yung iba. Kasi nga po, so lang, di ba? Pero sa atin, syempre, back up by published, peer-reviewed medical research and journals, Brad.
Supreme na supreme.
Ipakita natin, pare koy.
Sukdula ng kagandahan nito si Supreme.
When I asked the boss about the studies,
Malupit talaga.
ito yung binigay sa akin ni Doc.
Yan,
Ang
no?
kapal, oh.
Grabe, oh. Pinag-aralan.
Ang kapal ng research, pare. Okay? Ang kapal ng research.
Nag-research.
Hindi lang ito, pati po yung sa internet, ang daming research, Brad. So, doon pa lang alam mo na to, kung gaano kaganda talaga. Back up by research and journals. Okay, game. Si Supreme is made with pure whey, antioxidant super nutrients. Saan po? Nilagay na yung address, pare. 135 San Lorenzo Avenue, Suite 850, Coral Gables, FL 33146 USA. Tapos ang usapan.
Hindi nagdadalawang isip na magtago eh. Ayan, no? Pwede yung ma-check.
Okay, yan na. Okay, sige pare koy. Ito yung ating mga malulupit na advisory council, of course, headed by our Chief Executive Officer, our visionary President Dr. Cabantog. Okay? Ako, MD, mga Doctor of Medicine, mga PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, ang kagaling, mga biochemist, okay? Chiropractic medicine, kompleto eh. Ay, Doc, ba't parang may kulang? Yun na, pare, pakita na natin. Si Dr. Pedro Perez. Pare, siya yung research scientist. Siya yung formulator nito, Barad. Yan na.
Yan si Supreme.
Okay, oo, ng si Supreme. Dr. Pedro Perez, pare koy. Now,
Si
game.
Dr. Pedro.
Explain natin yung laman, Brad.
Yan.
Yeah. Explain natin yung laman, ha? My dear empowered leaders, satigan niyo po mabuti. Ito po yan. Exclusive natural herbal formulation, vitamin C, United States of Pharmacopoeia, L-ascorbic acid. Meron po siyang L, meaning to say that's the active form of ascorbic acid. It has citrus bioflavonoid complex, which I'm gonna explain to you later on. And lipid metabolites, generally recognized as safe vegetable waxes. Yun.
Wow.
Kasi, best friend ko binabanggit lagi yan. Yung iba kasi pag narinig ang lipids taba, kinakabahan na. Naku, tabayatan ng baboy yan sa kadaba ng baka. Hindi ko. Okay?
Diba?
Vegetable waxes. Galing po yan sa gulay. Maliwanag po. And they have undergone proprietary microencapsulation technology para magkaroon daw po ng long-term stability. Okay? At sabi nga po natin, okay, para po ma-enhance natin yung therapeutic efficacy. Now, Doc.
Galing.
Best friend, follow the arrow.
Yan. Sige.
Ito po yung vitamin C sa gitna.
Para makita nyo.
Ito po yung vitamin C. Napapaligiran po siya ng lipid metabolites.
Binalot.
Binalot, pare koy. Binalot. So, mukha siyang ganito na ngayon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin pala, Brad. Pakita natin ulit, ha? May capsules lang eh. Pero sa loob ng capsule na to, okay, sa loob ng capsule na yan, if you're gonna open it, ganito yung makikita mo. Yun ang alam siya. Yan po ay minagnify na ng husto. Okay? Doc, sige. Anong kagandahan nun? Sige. Tandaan niyo po supported by clinical research. Reliable yan in peer-reviewed medical journals. Napakarami. Positive and superior results in humans when compared to other forms of vitamin C preparations. Provides a clinically substantiated dose composition. So talagang inaaral mabuti, Brad. And works faster and stays longer. Saan? Cellular level. Para tumalab. Kung na-circulation lang, hindi pa ganun ka-effective. Kaya ginagawa, pasok sa cellular level. Grabe, no? Hindi. Sige. Paano daw pong increase absorption sa retention rate? Yan na. Siyempre yung mga tanong eh. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi tayo hype-hype lang. No. It's proven medically.
No, Doc.
Okay. Now, my dear empowered leaders, para alam na alam nyo rin pong i-promote, kayang-kaya natin i-promote, napakasimple lang po. Yung citrus bioflavonoid complex by itself is a strong antioxidants.
Yung pa lang, no?
Yun pa lang. Pero dito, sumuporta pa, bumakap pa pare, bumakap. Okay, bumakap. Okay? Naalala ko tuloy parang kanina nagbabackup si si LeBron James at si Anthony Davis kanina Brad sa Lakers.
Ganda ng metaphor mo, may backup, no?
Naisingit no? Bumabackup Brad no?
Binakapan, no? Kumbaga malakas si James, no?
Oo, binakapan
Binakapan
si
pa.
James. Si Anthony Davis parang ganito yan Brad. Yung citrus bioflavonoid complex, binakapan niya yung ascorbic acid. Yun,
Malakas na, binakapan pa.
binakapan Brad. Okay? Why? To protect the vitamin C from oxidizers in the body. So, itong palang protektado na si vitamin C, pare. Okay, proven na talagang maganda, binakapan pa, pare. Sinuportahan pa. Thus, they will support the ability to protect against chronic inflammatory disease, yung matatagal na pong mga sakit sa katawan mo, improve immune system function, and helps heal wounds faster.
Yun. Gamot talaga, no?
Grabe, kaso, pinalupit pa. Alam mo naman si Dr. Cabantog, when hitting of a certain product, talagang dapat todohan. Okay? Ito po yan. Siyempre, lipid metabolites formula. Okay?
Yan.
Iba talaga yung ating mga may-ari, Doc Ed, Dr. Connie, Sir John. Alam niyo po, si Supreme Lipid Metabolites allows ascorbic acid to enter the cells more quickly. Papasok agad ang cells. Hindi ba sinabi ko kanina, pag water-soluble yung mga vitamins, nahihirapan minsan pumasok. Makapasok man po, hindi makapasok halos karamihan. Okay? More quickly, mas mabilis, pero kinakabahan niyo, Doc, baka pag mabilis, delikado. Hindi. In a safe and effective manner. Yun. Wala. Paliwanag, ha? So, anong ginagawa? Okay? Hindi lang yon. Hindi lang sa cells natin, pati na rin po sa intestinal absorption. So, pag ininom mo yan, stomach, punta ng intestines, ma-absorb yan, papasok ng blood vessels natin. Grabe, no? Kaya nga, because of that, nagkakaroon tayo ng enhanced cellular uptake kinetic. Bumibilis tuloy ngayon yung absorption ng cells natin dun sa ascorbic acid. Now, para mapatunayan natin, nag-isip absorption. Dalawang barrier natin, Brad. Ininom mo. May vitamin C, pumasok ng stomach, may acid, but don't worry, may lipid metabolites, protektado. Okay. Ngayon, pagpunta ng intestines, bawat intestines natin, bawat mga wall, may mga blood vessels yan. So, ano mangyayari? Ma-absorb ka agad. First, barrier, nalagpasan. Yun.
Malupit.
Yun ang nangyayari, ha?
Supreme na supreme.
Best friend, baka talungin nila delikado ba sa stomach? Stomach friendly to. Stomach friendly kasi nga may lipid metabolites Okay? Pangalawang barrier, pare ko. Yung bloodstream, papasok sa loob ng cells natin. Sabi na, Dok, bakit may hirapan? Tingnan niyo yung picture, best friend. Etong bilog, yan yung phosphates. Etong nasa loob, yan yung lipid lipid. Or by lipid layer, sabi nga po natin. Okay? Kaya nga phospholipids or phospholipids sa iba. Now, game po, para mas manawaan. Si Brother Ermo, nung inidiscuss ito, sabi gano'n, Doc, buhaya ba yan? Okay? Ito po yung covering ng cells natin. Tinaghiwalay lang para ma-appreciate. Okay? Tinaghiwalay lang. Pero, ito yung phosphates, ito yung lipids. Pag sinabi mong phosphate, kaya nga phospholipids hydrophilic. Pag sinabing hydrophilic, philia means loving, water loving. Okay? Diba? Ang water soluble yung ibang vitamin C, so nakakadikit naman. Pero yung nasa loob, may hirap sila pumasok. Bakit? Ito na yung lipids or lipids, water hating yan, ay hydrophobic yan, pare. Since yung ating produkto, tandaan niyo po, may lipid metabolites, ma-absorb ka agad, pare. Makakadagpas, Brad. Yun. Kaya nga, when you talk about absorption and retention, this vitamin C, C Supreme, has a supreme absorption and supreme retention inside their body. Grabe. Okay, Brad.
Kaya pala supreme, no?
Supremo talaga to, Brad. Okay, todohan to sige. Para maniwala, may mga clinical studies na ginawa katulad po nito. Kinumpara po sa iba't ibang klase ng vitamin C.
Ayan na naman.
Okay, sinabi, superior absorption and retention by the human body 233 times higher compared to other forms of vitamin C.
Higit pa sa doble.
Oo, saan ka pa, Brad? Okay? Studies. Ito. Anong ginawa? Kinumpara na naman.
Nako.
Rapid fibroblast healing. Siyempre, importante yun. Pag nagkakasugat tayo,
Yes.
faster healing wound. Okay. 300% more efficient.
3 beses.
Grabe, no? Ang tindi naman yan. Hindi pa nakontento. Itodo na natin. 12% more antioxidant and 11% higher free radical scavenging activities. Anong ginamit para mapatunayan? Rakoy, alam natin yan.
Oo.
Oxygen radical absorbance capacity assay. Which means, ito yung method that measures the antioxidant capacity of a substance. Best friend, simple yan natin. Pag mataas ang orak, mataas ang antioxidants.
Okay.
Yun yun.
Mataas ang panlaban.
Oo, malakas panlaban sa mga free radicals. Ito na natin pare. DPPH method, nako po, diphenyl beta picryl hydrazine. Okay, ano yun, Dok? Sige, para madaling tandaan ng kalahatan, DPPH na lang. Okay?
Ano, Doc?
Sabi, Dok naman kung ano pa yung mga pinagbabanggit DPPH na lang. Okay, so, ano to? Yung kanina, measures the antioxidant capacity, di ba? Ito, determine the free radical scavenging activity. Yun. Ability.
Hinahanap.
Grabe, no? So, Doc,
Kaya
antin ko naman yan. Oo. Talagang mas mataas. Okay? So, ano yung mga anong mga benefits nitong produktong ito? Powerful antioxidants known to reduce inflammation or swelling.
Grabe,
Protects cells from cancer-causing damage and defense against cardiovascular diseases, heart blood vessel diseases. Helps prevent iron deficiencies by boosting iron absorption. Kaya, if you're suffering from anemia, maganda rin po siyang inumin or to prevent, of course, anemia. Essential for, kailangan ko, baka makahabol pa ako. Essential for growth repair of all body tissues. Okay? Protects memory and cognitive thinking throughout the aging process. Kailangan natin to, best friend, no? And effectively strengthens the immune system against viruses. Wow! Grabe naman itong produkto ito. Banggitin na natin, best friend.
Grabe.
Okay?
Kaya,
facts. Let's talk about the 8 facts about this product. Number 1, 12% more antioxidant delivery. In-explain ko na po, bakit po meron siyang lipid metabolites. At the same time, meron citrus bioflavonoid complex aside from the 500 milligrams of ascorbic acid. And because of which, nagkaroon po siya ng supreme absorption and 233 times higher retention. Again, ano po ang dahilan? Lipid metabolites.
Malupit talaga.
Tama. Number 3, 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing. Para saan?
Ang mabilis,
connective tissues. So, ano po ang mangyayari? Faster wound healing, brother. Titibay ang mga buto natin at the same time. May iwasan ng scurvy. Tama po. Okay, ano pa? 60% high reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive protein, CRP. Ano yung mga yan? Yan yung mga biomarkers, best friend. Pag ang katawan natin, may iba't ibang klase ng mga chronic diseases and inflammatory reactions or swelling. So, ibig sabihin po, panglaban, pare. Panglaban against swelling, against different kinds of chronic diseases, it will help, pare ko para maproteksyonan ang katawan natin. Ano pa, Doc? 250 times more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxins. Pagkain natin sa toxins, our environment are full of what? Toxins, free radicals, pollutants. Grabe naman to, no? So, kailangan po talaga, best friend. Ano pa? 83% more reduction. Let me try to explain this to you, my dear empowered leaders. Oxidized LDL cholesterol. Doc, ano yon? Yung LDL cholesterol, best friend, is the, ito yung tinatawag natin mga bad carriers of cholesterol. Pag sila na-oxidize mo, imagine, best friend, ito yung blood vessel natin. Pwede sila mag-embed dito, kumapit.
Nako.
That will cause the hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall or the ones we always mention as atherosclerosis.
Ayun, atherosclerosis.
Kakapal yan. Okay, pag nagkaroon ng bara, patay tayo, delikado.
Isikip, ang dalo yan.
Piniprevent yan, best friend.
Oo nga.
So, it's good for your cardiovascular system. 7, sinabi na natin kanina, 11% more free radical scavenging activity, and 12% more antioxidant capacity. Tama po? And finally, Brad, ito tinodo na ni Doc. Tinodo na. 1,200% more stimulation, okay, of healthy neurons and nerve regeneration.
Kaya pala walang kalaban nasa Blue Ocean.
Laban. Kasi yung nerves natin, pare, yung nerve cells natin, may tinatawag na axon sa dendrites. Ini-enhance na yon para mag-develop ka agad.
Wala.
So, ibig sabihin po, yung tinatawag natin transmission of nerve impulses, gumaganda. Kaya nga, di ba sinabi kanina sa mga may Alzheimer's or prevention of those that may possibly suffer from Alzheimer's, or they will try to improve at least, okay, the situation of those suffering from Alzheimer's. So, ito po yun. At yan po yung magandang produkto natin. Yan ang magandang usapan. Pero best friend, bago tayo magkatanungan, mabilis lang to. Sabi na, Doc, may laboratory research ba? Ito na, oh. Pag sinabing in vitro sa laboratory ginawa to, protection of the nervous system by promoting the survival of the nerve cells. Yung binanggit ko kanina. Delivers effective antioxidant and free radical scavenging activity. Binanggit natin kanina. Enhances normal wound healing by improving the function of collagen-secreting fibroblast cell. Kailangan. Okay? And has a greater protective effect on immune cells that have been exposed to toxins. Okay. Dagdagan pa natin. Better absorbed and retained in the serum at higher levels compared to other kinds of vitamin C available in the market. And decreases blood levels of a common marker, yung C-reactive protein of an imbalanced immune response. And finally, decreases blood levels of a common marker of oxidative stress, like of course again, your C-reactive protein. So, to sum it up, all comparative research studies in vitro, laboratory, and in humans demonstrates that C Supreme with Pure Whey C, ito yung words, pare ko, has superior capabilities when compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Anong word natin? Superior capabilities.
Grabe.
Brad,
Kaya pala
si may ginawang study, pare ko, si Dr. Pedro Perez with his partner, si Benjamin Eswix. Okay? Pag sinabing novel, new. Ay new vitamin C preparation enhances neurite. Ano yung neurite? Yan pare yung nerve cells. Yung neurite yung extension nila, yung axon sa yung dendrites. Neurite formation and fibroblast addition and reduces synobiotic. Okay, yan yung mga foreign body induced T-cell hyperactivation. Okay, yan yung mga synobiotic, yung mga foreign body na pag pumasok sa katawan natin, hindi ba nagkukos tayo ng immune response? So, binabawasan natin yung mga synobiotic na yan. Okay? Induced T-cell hyperactivation. Now, ano pa po? Absorption rates and free radical scavenging values of vitamin C lipid metabolites in human lymphoblastic cells. Pinakita na po, talagang mas malakas ang absorption. Yun ang tamang word ng best friend. Kompleto. And that
sabi ng iba, wow! Sabi ng iba, wow!
That is the wonderful product, C Supreme ascorbic acid of empowered consumerism.